Alright, hi guys. It's time for a new pattern. Go to pattern focus. Maybe. If my phone will go there. There it goes. Go to this one. Mallika. This one's sort of more organic, sort of a flowery looking shape. Let me zoom in a little bit. You guys are kind of far away. There we go. Looks like we're aiming for this sort of a flower shape. And here's a sample with more than one of them. What's that sort of flowery shape? So step number one is to actually put the stem. Step number two, we're going to do this sort of rumpty dumpty bumpy, bumpy bumps, rumpy bumps, and then a little curved smile. I actually think I'm going to do it the other way around. I think I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, mostly because I think this curved smile will give me the length and the sort of the where I want it to go. And then if I do the lumpy bumps, I can then do the stem whenever. I think I'm going to do it the other way around. Just letting you know that I think that for myself that would be more natural for me. So then after we have this shape with the smiley face, the lumpy bumps, and the little stem, then we're going to do this teardroppy shape here, and then just do some feathering, and it ends up like that. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to maybe do it. I'm going to use a square. Use that one. I'll turn on my light. Get the light on. You probably hear my heater going on and off. I've got my heater on today. It's still raining outside. I want to think about my composition. I'm going to go ahead and give myself a little bit of a border so I don't get too close to the edge. And I'm thinking maybe I want to do these in more of a mandala-like thing. So I'm thinking I'm going to do maybe 4 of them. I might even do more, but I'm going to do them kind of in here. That's going to be kind of like the smiley shape right in there. Maybe even bigger. I want to make them big. Like that. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to grab my pen. There it is. And I'm actually going to do this kind of a smiley shape first, because that's going to establish how big my little flowery shape is going to be. So, and then I'm going to do the lumpty bumpty bumps. Lumpty bumpty 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 bumps. Like that. I think I'm going to do them opposite each other. Like that, and lumpty bumpty 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 bumps. Like that. And then I'm going to do a stem that's going to go like that all the way across. And then I'm going to do the same over here. Bumpty bumpty bumps. And over here. Like that. And then I'm going to do kind of a stem under and over. Like so. I think that's good. All right, so then we do sort of a teardroppy shape here, and then we just do some featherings to fill that in. Like that. Ooh, my heater's not so on. I put it right here under my desk, so it's keeping me toasty. It is a little chilly outside. It's not super cold, but let's see, what's it say? Come on, open. 54. It's 54 today, which in California is winter weather. I know, for you guys who live where you get snow and you get things, temperatures below freezing, it's not even close to being cold. I understand, but I live in a mild climate. I get the mild winters, but I get the scorching summers, so it makes up for it. I get the summers that are over. Although this summer was really very pleasant, I must say. We got some 100-degree days, but we didn't get, like, there have been some times where we get a whole, like, month or longer of over 100-degree days for, like, the whole month. That's really hard. That's hard on you to have no break from the heat for that long. But for the most part, we had a really mild summer. We had some over 100-degree days, but we had most of our summer was probably in the 90s. So it wasn't as bad as some years. Some years have been really tough. But today is raining. Raining and a little chilly. Well, that's a really pretty, I like how it comes out. I really do. And I'm wondering if I shouldn't put some sort of maybe a smaller something right here. Maybe I'll do one in a smaller scale. Or behind. Like that. I'm going to do that. Something like that. I like that. That's really pretty. I like the way that looks. Okay, M-A-L-L-I-K-A. M-A-L-L-I-K-A. Going to delete my little border that I made because I didn't need it. And I don't think I want it with a border. But I do really like that. That's really pretty. I'm wondering if I want to color it or just leave it like that in black and white. I don't know. Let's start with shading first, because that might make a difference as to what I decide to do. I think just right in there is really all it's going to need. Give it a good dimension, and then of course I'm going to want to do these little bits around where that one overlaps, like that. Some right there, some right in here, some right there. Some of it's more overlappy than others. Awesome. Ooh, I got a message. I will ignore it for the moment. Okay. All right, let's do a little blendy blend. Oh, I didn't do this one. Duh. I got a little carried away with my pencil. I don't want pencil there. Let me erase it out. Okay, blendy blend. I like that. I really do. I like that look a lot. Don't think I'll color it. I think I'll leave it black and white. I'll probably put some white highlighting, but I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm fine with that. And then I need the thinner one for in here. Something like that. Oh, look how pretty that is. I love it. I love these organic ones. You guys know that. I'm an organic kind of gal. I tried to do a practice this weekend of one of the new patterns. Hopefully it's not going to be chosen as a pattern anytime soon, because I had a humongous struggle with it. It was the one that's like 3D blocks that look like a Y. Yeah, I had some serious struggle issues with that, and I don't know. You know, really feeling like I want baby blue on this. Don't know why. So I'm going to finish off with the white, but then I think I'm going to go get my color pencils and do some blue. I'm feeling blue. Blue and green. I'm going to do the whites too. Yeah, I'm feeling blue and green with this white highlight. All right, color pencil time. Where's my pencils? Ah, itchy, itchy, itchy hand. I want just the light blue, this one, and I want the bright leafy green. That's this one, right? Apple green. Yeah, those are the two I want. Something like this. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, and this kind of appley green. Oh, I like that. Just a hint of color. It's not like a lot. It's just a hint. Right in the little lumpy bumpies parts. What is going on over there? My phone keeps doing stuff. All right. Dee. Awesome. Oh, I'm happy with this one. Yes, indeed. I am very happy with this one. I like this particular pattern. It was easy to do. It didn't take that long. I just felt just like I was in the flow, I was in the zone. Really pretty. I like it. Okay, you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video. I'm going to turn up my heat just a little bit because I'm still a little chilly in here. And I will see you later. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.